Hello, in this video I will show you some of the features that iSpring Suite 9 has to offer for you to enhance your PowerPoint presentations. So once you have installed the program, it will appear as one of the tabs up here in your PowerPoint toolbar. If you click on it, it will show up all these different nice tools that will allow you to make really good presentations. So the first three are dealing with narration, and this one, record audio, will allow you to record audio on your slides. So you start recording and then you save changes, and this one I will just cancel changes. It will take me back to my presentation. The second one will allow you to record video over your slides, and this one will allow you to manage narrations. On the next section we have the insert buttons. This one will allow you to insert quizzes. You click on it, it will bring up what it's called as iSpring Quiz Maker, where you have two different kinds of quizzes, a graded quiz and survey. So if you click on graded quiz, it will take you to the main toolbar where you can have one quiz created, and here is how you create the question, and then once you click over here, it will bring up all the different choices you have, multiple choice, etc. And once you have done all that, you have to click on OK Changes. I'm gonna go back to my presentation. So other tabs will allow you to insert interaction, dialogue simulation, screen recording, a YouTube video, web objects, and these ones over here are the content library. And these ones allow you to apply, slide templates to your slides. Let's say you want to apply this one, and then you click insert. It will allow you to do that. Characters, for example, let you pick someone to insert in your presentation, and then you locate this character, backgrounds, objects, and icons. And on the next one we have presentation properties. It will take you to the different properties of your slides. And presentation resources give your students access to reference materials and information about the course authors. And this one is how you publish. This will give you a preview. It will just show your presentation how it looks, and this is how you publish it. Right here you have different options. One of them is YouTube. If you want to publish your video into YouTube, you can do that from here. For your, I'm just going to cancel this one. So this is it pretty much. I hope you enjoy this video. As you can see, iSpring Suite 9 brings up PowerPoint presentations to a whole new level. I hope you enjoy it, and it's really easy to use. Thank you.